everyone, and welcome to our comprehensive beginner's guide to Java programming language. In this extensive video, we will delve deep into what Java is, why it's indispensable in modern development, its widespread application functions, and cover the basic to lay a solid foundation for your journey into Java programming. Let's start by understanding the essence of Java. Java is a high-level, robust, and object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems, later acquired by Oracle Corporation. Released in 1995, Java has since become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world, renowned for its versatility and portability. What makes Java so indispensable? One of the Java key strengths is its platform independence, allowing developers to write code once and run it anywhere. Java robust security feature make it an excellent choice for building applications that handle sensitive data. Precisely, Java platform independence and security feature make it to go-to language for developing a wide range of applications. In today's digital age, Java finds applications in numerous industries and domains, for banking system and e-commerce platform to Android app development. Java powers a vast array for applications that drive over modern world. Now let's delve into fundamentals for Java programming. Java syntax is simple and readable, making it an ideal language for beginners. It follows an object oriented paradigm, focusing on creating objects that interact to perform tasks. Here's a basic Java program structure. We define a class followed by a main method where our program begins execution. In Java, we use variable to store data, and there are different data types like integer, string, boolean, char. We can control the flow of our program using loop, conditions, and statements. Java functions, also known as method, are blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They promote code reusability and help in organizing code into manageable chunks. In Java, we define method using the syntax return type, method name, parameters, and call them within our program to execute specific actions. Object oriented programming language OOPS is a core concept in Java. It revolves around the creation and manipulation of objects which encapsulate data and behavior. Encapsulation allows us to hide the internal detail of an object and only expose the necessary function. Inheritance enables us to create new classes based on existing ones. Promoting code reuse. Polymorphism allow objects for different type to be treated as object of common superclass. Wide range of pre-built classes and packages of various functions make a input and output operation networking a data manipulation. In conclusion, Java is a powerful, versatile, widely used programming language with myriad application in today's generation. From its platform independence to robust security features, Java offers a comprehensive toolkit for developers to build innovative and scalable solutions across diverse domains. Thank you for joining us on this comprehensive journey through Java programming. Armed with this knowledge, you are now ready to embark on your own Java coding adventure. Happy coding! If you found this helpful, you can show us your support by subscribing, liking, and sharing our video. Thank you.